Today, we're adding a smooth rolling text animation, a great way to introduce text with style and motion. Let's get started. First, open your Canva project and add a text box. Type in the text you want to animate. Now, with your text selected, go to the top and click on the Animate button. From the list of text animations, scroll and select Roll. You'll immediately see the rolling motion apply to your text. Now let's customize it. You'll see options to animate on enter, exit, or both, deciding when the rolling happens. Under writing style, you can choose how the animation behaves. By word rolls in each word separately. By character gives a flowing, detailed animation. By line rolls line by line, great for longer text blocks. By element animates the whole text box as a single block. To control how long the roll lasts, just adjust the duration of the text layer in the timeline. And that's it. You've created a clean and stylish rolling text animation in Canva. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva video editing tips.